In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your 1password vault in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure all your data is successfully exported. Whether you're transitioning to a new vault or seeking to back up your existing data, the steps we're covering will have you covered. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the 1password app on your device. This app is your central hub for managing all your passwords and sensitive data, so having it open is essential to proceed with exporting your vault. Make sure you're logged into the correct 1password account that contains the vault you want to export. Once inside the app, look toward the top right corner. You should spot the familiar three-dot icon, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking this icon reveals a variety of actions you can take. By selecting it, you unlock several additional features that the app offers, including the crucial export option. It's a simple click that opens up a world of settings and choices, so make sure to locate it and click on it. Now, from the menu that appears after clicking the three-dot icon, you will see the option to export. Selecting this will prompt the app to allow you to download your vault's contents. The export feature is designed to give you ultimate flexibility over your data, whether it's for backup purposes or moving your data elsewhere. Make sure you have a secure location ready on your computer to store this exported file. Remember, the data contained in this file is sensitive, so it needs to be kept safe from unauthorized access. As the export process begins, you might be prompted to enter your 1password master password. This is a critical security step to ensure it's really you who wants this data export. Having your master password handy ensures a smooth, uninterrupted export, so it's a good idea to keep it nearby as you go through these steps. After entering your password, confirm your decision to export, and the process will commence. The export file is typically a .1pux file or another format of your choosing, depending on what best suits your needs. Make sure to verify that the file has indeed been created and is complete. A quick check to ensure it contains all the expected entries can offer peace of mind. In just a few short clicks, you've successfully exported your 1password vault. Be sure to store this file securely and back it up as necessary. Your data is now ready for whatever purpose you intended, whether it's a backup, a transfer, or simply peace of mind. Thank you for following along, and remember to keep your digital information safe and sound.